Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you share your location on Google Maps. So at first, just go to your Google Maps app. Make sure that you have already turned on your location. Now just drop a pin on a location, just like this one. And after dropping a pin, just drag it like this. Now just scroll here, and here you can see share icon. Just click on share. Now you can share your location to anyone, to your contact list. You can copy it to your clipboard and you can share it to anyone in any platform. So guys, that's how you can share location on Google Maps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.